freezing point. Okay, so please make that problem. I know that's a little confusing, but we got to do it. Okay, and again, how do you know you have a solution? They give you a molality or molarity. You can't just be like, you can't fucking pull out of your ass and say, oh, that's a solution. Okay, if they just gave you sodium chloride, NaCl, you got to assume that that's a compound. Unless they give you a molality, then that would be a solution. Yes, ma'am.
Is that I
Times, yes, because these M times, sorry about that. Yes, it is times. Okay, so we'll see that in action right now. All right. So here he goes. It says, assuming ideal behavior, which solution has the lowest freezing point? Okay, which solution has the lowest freezing point? Okay, assuming ideal behavior. Now, what does the word ideal mean? I know some people might ask that as well. It's basically going to do what it is supposed to do. Okay? So ideal solution means it's going to do what it's supposed to do. So if something is ionic, what are ionic things supposed to do? Separate. So very good at that. So that's what it means to be ideal, right? If it's covalent, what is an ideal solution supposed to do? Stay together. So very good at that. So it says ideal just means do what it's supposed to do. All right. So which aqueous solution has the lowest freezing point? So that means we want the highest M times I. Because we want the lowest freezing point, so highest M times I. Now, I know that we don't have the numbers. We don't know what our solute is, so we can't assume any of these numbers. Is everybody agree with that? I don't know what K is. I don't know what I is, Ti is. I don't know what T final is going to be. But all I know is I can find M and I. Is everybody agree with that? So the highest Mi should be the lowest freezing point. We're going to assume that all the K's are the same for all of them, but we don't know what it is. So I can't do the math. I have to do it kind of theoretically. Okay? So here we go. Potassium bromide, what's the I value for that? Huh? 2s, right? It's KBr. So that means I equals 2. So 0.20 molals times 2 equals 0.4. How many nickels do I have? 1. How many sulfates do I have? 1. So it's 2. That's why I is equal to 2. So 0.2. Right, it would be a different answer because you have to know what you're looking for.